Hello, we have a set with three things inside it, A, B, and C. We need to find something called the power set. Let's learn what that means. A power set is like a big box. Inside this big box, we put every small group we can make from our set. We also put the empty group and the full group inside. Our set has three things in it, so n is 3. We do 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 8. That means we need to find 8 small groups. First, we pick nothing from our set. That gives us the empty set. It looks a bit funny, but the empty group is always part of the power set. Now we pick just one thing at a time. We can pick only A or only B or only C. That gives us 3 small groups. Now we pick two things at a time. We can pick A and B together, or A and C together, or B and C together. That gives us 3 more groups. Last, we pick all 3 things together. That gives us the full set back. The full set is always part of the power set too. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We found all 8 groups. Now we put them all inside one big set. Great job. Here is our answer. The power set has 8 members inside it. We found every little group we could make from A, B, and C, starting from nothing all the way to the full set.